In this case, there's a tennis athlete with an infraspinatus muscle strain. He plays university level standard, and some subjective findings is that the pulling sensation in the shoulder during play. Also, there's pain with overhead reaching and dressing, morning stiffness and evening fatigue as well. Some objective findings show rounded shoulder posture, more on the right side, reduced shoulder abduction and flexion. There's also pain on palpation over scapular region. There's also a strength deficits in the shoulder rotation. The diagnosis of the strain is a grade 2 strain of the right infraspinatus. So the exercise I'm going to show you is the resistant band external rotation. That's where you use a band and attach it to a post and externally rotate outwards to test the strength and the mobility. By testing it, it also improves the strength and mobility of the infraspinatus and helps with the rehab process. So do you give consent to carry out this exercise?
I do, yes.
So the setup of this exercise is very important. You want to make sure the band is like in line with your belly button. You've got to feed this through and then pull it tight and step out so it's nice and so the band is nice and stretched. You want to keep your elbow tucked to your midriff and slowly extend out or rotate out and back in, out, in, making sure to keep your forearm parallel to the floor and most importantly keeping your elbow tucked. This exercise targets the infraspinatus and the teres major. So we've set up the band to my client's midriff. So now just grab the band, step out, make sure there's tension on the band, and make sure you keep your elbow tucked, elbow at 90 degrees as well, and keep your forearm parallel to the floor. And then gradually just rotate out. Yeah, nice, perfect. Make sure to keep tension and keep your elbow tucked throughout the whole movement. Yeah, perfect. 2 more. Perfect. All good. 2 progressions of this exercise could be using a cable machine to add additional weight and a different type of tension, or like we've got here, we could increase the resistance band strength. So same process, feed it through, make sure it's around your belly button height, and again, keep your elbow tucked, everything at 90 degrees, arm parallel, and just same again, just increase the resistance. This only happens once the strength of the athlete is improved enough that it's pain-free. So 2 regressions would be using a lighter resistance band so the tension is less and would be easier for the athlete to carry out, or you could simply place the back of your hand against something firm that's not going to move and simply push out until pain's reached and then just stop. This is better because you can kind of like monitor how much pressure you put through. So yeah, simply just hand up, keeping everything at 90 degrees again, arm parallel, and pushing outwards for a few seconds, and stop. Outwards, stop.